This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download GitHub on a Mac. So without further ado, let us start the video. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is go to your dock, go to your web browser, in this case Safari, and go to Google and now type in GitHub download for a Mac, and then click on the first link. And now the new native, extend your GitHub workflow beyond your browser with our desktop beta, completely redesigned with Electron. Get a unified cross-platform experience that's completely open source and ready to customize. So just download for Mac OS X or Mac OS Sierra. Wait for that to download, and now double click this. GitHub desktop app is an application downloaded from internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Absolutely yes. Open. Minimize this. Welcome to GitHub desktop. I think I'll sign into github.com using my email address and password. So sign in and let us configure Git. Continue. Make GitHub desktop better. Yes. Finish. Close this. And the application itself needs to be moved to application. So go to download. Copy this. Go to applications. So close up. Go to the launchpad. And I should see GitHub there. So now if we click GitHub, there you go. Close this. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for now.